Me did the Isaac Jumpo, but me family the great sample and bring one man come near too much G8, too much G8, more too much. Namen so me I'm more fire.
For me, my obibia are by the too much it. And so Munyaba, Mosso for Messi, Kana, and someone actually ever soon, native for a name where you won't say ni pray about a major parties, Nimo, a MPP, and this year. In name, you must say, a is excellence, Nanado, down qua, and a flag bearer for MPP, and a bar, a NDC, so ex President John Dramani Mahama, a flag bearer. Ma NDC but no amache sedane dana obi bia e ka o mti and the communicators need the baby on bedru bia na chese so ye NDC ni a work kan gu MPP so sa say ye MPP ni so a na o so ke kan e gu NDC na se dey city bia Ghana for dodo na wo mo no o ma form hu adwen na etiefo ya won wasem chere say ababetom kra ne say informal newspaper front page pa near that one say lawyer Sabi Jefe name ni say communication director for NDC party no nyoma tro e di afa no mo ni say one no say koba say former president John Dramani Mahama so we lose 2027 December election na free communicator Sami Jefe na campaign team the more nsem we ebe to jani say wo mo hwemu a communicating director na ono no say anka emre we ya che say nipra ba dodo na kire nyom dwumedi omedi se ne ebe ya aban no betumi city memufo no beti o mase na o ma hu se o ma bo adwuma nti no o beti o ma bade ama amonyoko no ono de enye sa na wo ye dani dan nice ono dani dan propaganda propaganda na wo ye enye MPP for na ye corrupter enye flag bearer his excellence na ye corrupter na the member of parliament na ye corrupt na we to say that dimension na communicator personal way ono lawyer no baby o di na ni a kire na o di na ni afa ne pa de ase we deviate wama NDC aban no omudi ne ho ya na tiefo say na campaign team no one de mo nsem no atu dwa pepe na me fan to dwa enfa mamo. The campaign team further explained that Sami Jefe has unpredictably been shifting from the center of attention from John Mahama's campaign and manifestos. They believe that he has indulged himself in prostituting propaganda rather than preaching the good messages of the NDC to Ghana. According to the informal newspaper, the campaign team of the NDC are blaming their national communicator for destroying their campaign with his irresponsible utterances. Sami Jefe, as a communication officer, is not doing exactly what his job is, but as rather fall in love with accusing and dirty politics. He is interested in persuading eligible voters to believe the incumbent president is corrupt. This is rather annoying majority of Ghanaians. Etiefo say na ya campaign team for the one sem to ya say one more communication director lawyer Sami Jefe anka sabri mu sanka nya dodo na so mo ti free ni one say one more all kind juma pa John Dramani Mahama wo be broadcasting ni jumedi a wedi ni wo ba be di manifestos the manifestos on the be to ya say wo ba o be legalizing Okada health insurance very free more schools and more jobs just creative jobs they are money just a manifestos no say good discipline wo na so no communicator we won ye ne sa just ono ni a wo tutu ne bota ya ne say wo pese wo kire Ghana for say MPP aban no woye flag bearer na especially no ono no oye corrupt now eno team campaign team ne ba je say sa na ye ni mo a woye no enu mo kra magana fo buafu mo say the way I will say who prove it say papa na ye corrupt no then na chire say other party na wo gine mu say one mo de omo ye project no omo de omo ye corrupt na wo say Ghana fo buafu pa na no say ko wie mu say ex-president John Dramani Mahama one for abane de blame ni na one mo de be ma communication director lawyer Sami Infinity for any ashefo shesen ye campaign team for someone one mo de ababe tuja for more communication director one na usha dey na ekoso enyo me bi koso communication enkoyie e wo muntemu ana say bibi enkoyie sa den and communication director was subordinate etumi enya assembly say etumi de betuja efa won koye say dodo na asem mo susu say Sami de feel say wono na asem ye den wono de be controversial che say yampa na won fa na adwen ma na afin so won je nkrofo adwen tu fa bibi hu ana na tiefo wo hwe say omo sam de betuja no kre sa na ebe kwa no wo hwe say omo won gina so ma sobe ehun say bia ne ye no na ekoso dudu na so mo so ma adwen say wo mo koto aba de ama NDC party na tiefo wo hwe say ne aka 2 days ye dia na eno die ye ni na ye ni mu say ye ni mu nia eba besi na ye ni mu nia nsensem we ni na de end result no de na eba besi na se ne sitie bia ye de onyame na esini na yesusu se nyame ensini ne ema omanga na afen so election day at 2 days na aso etiefo me de mensa mo be ko na wie ye no me kan ashobi akran se ye hye ye mo de ye fa asumdue na enkoto aba no ko na koto aba bia ofie ehun yin se obekwa ko gina wo akọ kasa ko yi hu edi se o ye mpipia na wo ye NDC ni afen so me ndi MPP echi ana ndi opipi a o pepper wechi enkoye pasa na sekase uwu a wo filete for me the main someone no esia no ye ojume kom so ya se mama Juliet Ventures o pese o kitchen ye fire ana wo nya bia wo nya ye ejuma tete wo kitchen dia bo ma for mama Juliet na ba fe long master malo within 24 hours the year so affordability na ye ejuma ye government worker o mo rate so ya from boko bo ma for long master number no be bo ma we nya urgent money for urgent project munyaba moso for Mexico na we dey get awon ebe sumu aha na me dey mo be see that so me ebe san eshia makawa